So I've hit up a couple of my favorite thrift stores in the last few weeks, and I wanted to kind of show you what I bought and why. So I found this sweater here, got it for $1.91. I just really liked the coloring in it with the kind of the purpley gray and darker pink spots. It does have a stain in it right there, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it out or not, but I'm probably going to end up cutting this up anyway. I'll either add the sleeves to a different shirt or end up making pillows or something like that out of it. Another one I got, $1.91, was this really cool thing. It has this trim down the center, which I don't like, so I'm actually going to take that off. It's just kind of, it's already kind of coming off with the hand sewing, so I'm going to take that off. But otherwise, it's a really pretty, like tank top type tunic with some gorgeous lace on it. And again, going through and just double checking the lace, making sure that there's no rips or tears, snags, anything like that. And if there is a problem, that it's something that I can work around or deal with. Another one I got for $1.91 was this little shrug, kind of this beige knit shrug, which I thought would be really cute to put over a dress or something like that, or even like a white top or something, just to give another dimension to a look. This one I actually got for 99 cents. Again, really nice lace. I like the little button detail at the shoulder. But it's another kind of tunic style top, so really nice lace. So I don't know whether, I'll keep this as is or cut it up and use the lace in something else. But anytime there's really nice lace, I tend to grab it. This piece here, I got for $2.72, and it's just a kind of a top, which I would never wear, but I love the embroidery on the sleeves. It's even got this little tassel there, and it's in good condition. None of the embroidery is like pulled or coming apart. So I'm actually going to end up taking this embroidery and putting it onto a purse. Doing it with both sleeves, I could actually do two little purses or bags. There is a little bit of a pull right there on that one, but I can fix that. So that's why I bought this shirt. And the rest of it is just a blue knit. So if I had to, I could definitely use the blue knit as an accent for another shirt or pockets or something like that. This one I bought just because I kind of love the print. It's kind of a chenille sweater. Got it for $3.73. And I just love the print. So this one I'm going to turn into a pillow. There's plenty big to do a front and a back in a good size throw pillow there, kind of a nice neutral color. And this one still had the tag attached to it, the original tag for it. And it's a size medium. It even has the tag on it. Came from Dillard's. I don't know what the original price was, but I guess the markdown price was $29. And so again, I got it for the $3.73. Another one I got was this shirt here for $2.72. Again, love the color, love the fabric. It's actually a sheer fabric that's lined. It's got this really pretty ruffle accent on the sleeves and this kind of shirred neckline. So I might leave this one as is, or I might end up turning this into a dress by adding another fabric to the bottom as a skirt. Another thing I found was actually just a sweatshirt. I got this on clearance, actually. This didn't come from a thrift store, but I got this one on clearance. So I'm actually going to pair it with a video that I'm going to do coming up with this puffer jacket that I also got on clearance for like $12. And it was only an extra large, but it's going to be okay to be bigger for what I'm going to do it to. Now this one I got for $3.93. It's just a blazer, fully lined, but I'm actually going to cut this up and use it for some bags. I really like the color, and I haven't been able to find this color of corduroy in the store. So there's plenty of fabric here to cut up, even with the pockets and everything, to cut up and make bags out of. This one I really liked. I got this one for $2.92. Just a simple skirt. It's a cotton, but it has almost a linen slub type look to it, but I really love the colors in this. So this may end up being pillows, because the colors actually match my sewing studio colors. And then a denim shirt. I'm always on the hunt for good denim shirts. This one was $3.93. I believe that's a Target brand there, but I know exactly what I'm going to do with this one, and I think it's going to be beautiful when it's done. I'll probably do that in another upcoming video. And then I purchased this. I actually got this for half off the $3.93. It's this quilted, it's actually a bed skirt, and I'm probably going to wish I had gotten the other one. They had two of them, but there's a lot of fabric in this, so this would either make really cute tote bags out of this, pillows. There's a lot you could do with this, and there's a good deal of fabric here, so that was quite a good buy. Now this is just a plain ivory sweater. Got it for $4.94. And I have an idea. I'm going to do this too. It's an anthropology hack I'm going to do using this sweater, and then also this that I actually got this on clearance, but it's a sweater vest, and it's like 4X, so it's huge, but there's plenty of fabric here that I can actually cut out a sleeve out of this knit fabric, and I'm going to pair it with this sweater here. So that's going to be really cute. This shirt here I just love the fabric. I got it for $2.92. But it's just a button-down shirt, pinstripe, but it's got the little tufts, kind of a seersucker type look to it. So again, this one I might leave as is, or I might transform it into a dress or something like that. But I just really loved the fabric. Sometimes it's just the fabric that screams to you. So you just want to make sure, like this one is a small, so it's probably going to be a little bit tight on me. You just need to be aware, know your size when you go, because it's always better to buy bigger so you have some extra fabric to take up versus smaller, and then it's not going to fit you, and then you would have to really alter it in order to make it fit. So I got this for $3.93. Another blazer. I really like that herringbone color and the details, so I think I'm going to turn this actually into kind of a wide corset belt, I think is what I'm going to do, and then I can use some of the extra fabric for accents on purses. But with the pocket detail and everything, I think if I cut it off here, it would be a really cute kind of a corset type belt. Plaid shirts, always looking for good plaid shirts. This one was $3.93 from Old Navy. I've got an idea to do with some plaid shirts and some denim shirts. So always looking for good ones there. Again, these cut them up and make them great quilts or purses, pillows, teddy bears, you know, or make a cool vintage looking skirt out of all different kinds. There's just so much that you can do with all the different plaids. So this one I found, this one was marked down to the $4.54, and it's too big on me, but I want it that way because I want the amount of fabric. It's this gorgeous burgundy velvet. I love the sleeve detail with the covered buttons. So this one I'm actually going to pair with one of the denim shirts that I showed previously. Again, one of these still has the original tag on it and everything, so that's quite a good buy. The rest of the fabric, there's actually enough that I could make a skirt out of it if I wanted to. There's so much fabric. And then the last one that I got on my recent haul is just this one. This one came from Loft, so it fits me. It's a size medium. Got it for $3.73, and I just thought it was a nice plaid. Has kind of that mustard stripe on it. Just a nice shirt that I can wear. I probably won't do anything with this one. I will just keep it the way it is. But I do have a lot of mustard kind of clothes, or it would even look good with just jeans or something like that. So I thought that would be a good one. So make sure that when you do go thrifting that you do look carefully at the fabrics, making sure that there's no rips and tears. Everything is in good order. If there is something like missing buttons or a stain or something, you have to be able to either work around it or fix it. So keep that in mind. Also make sure that you either buy your size if it's something you're going to wear as is, or that you buy a bigger size if it's something that you're going to take in or take up or completely refashion. Remember, it's always better to have more fabric than less. So I hope this video was informative. I will have more videos coming up with thrift hauls and things that I've done, and videos showing how I've transformed these things into other things. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you can get some inspiration, and happy sewing.